Let the band play.
Alright, what to do, YouTube, man? Back with another video, back with another banger, back. I know what to do, man. Back with another banger, back with another video. On today's video, we will be installing the Cobra bumper, 03 to 04 Cobra bumper. Yeah, so we will be installing the 03 to 04 Cobra bumper today, man. I'm not gonna go step by step on the video because there's a lot of videos about it. Also, sometime this week I will be installing the lowering springs, so you might get 2 videos this week on me installing the lowering springs and the Cobra bumper, which is today. So if I do this video or the Cobra bumper today, you probably won't get the lowering springs until Friday or Saturday, man. You probably won't get that video till Friday or Saturday. I filmed this, but I did install I did get the Cobra front wheels put on. I got those put on and everything like that. I didn't do a video because I feel like it wasn't necessary for real, so that's why I didn't do it. But other than that, man, let's get into this Cobra bumper installation, man. Let's go. Alright, so I do got the old bumper off. Now I'm just trying to fit the new one on right now. So that's how it's looking right now. I might have to take the headlights out to finish up. But yeah, that's how it's looking as of right now. It don't look too bad with the Cobra bumper though. I'm glad we got that on there. Alright, let's get this finished up. I'll come back and let y'all know what I came up with. Alright, so right now all I'm doing is getting it. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. I'm just getting the screws back in. They right behind here. So that's all I'm doing right now, and then I'm gonna go do the other side in a minute. But if you have a V6, you may have to take the foam part out on the bash bar just so this Cobra bumper can fit. So just stay in reminder of that you gotta take off the foam for it to fit nicely. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to put it back on and everything. And then I'll put the headlights on and all of that. So yeah, man, just stay tuned. Just give me a few more seconds, alright?
Three hours later.
Alright, so I did get the Cobra bumper on. Now all left to do is get these. I think I'm gonna have to drill those. And I don't know how that's gonna go. But yeah, that's what I gotta do next. Other than that, the clips are on, screwed down tight, so it's good to go. And then I'm gonna get the fog light bezels and everything next week and everything. Put those in. I don't know if I'm gonna do fog lights because I know I gotta wire them, so I don't know if I could do that. But I'll think about it. But first I'm just gonna get the bezels one step at a time. Yeah, I got that on. Gotta put that on, the grill delete. And the old bumper is over there. Yeah, but that was hard to fit that bumper on though. This is my first time by myself, so if I could do it, you could do it, for real, like no cap. If I could do it, you can do it. It's easy. Alright, so I did get the Cobra bumper installed. Everything looks good on it. I just gotta get the fog light bezels, a chin spoiler, and something to cover up that front end, cause if you look, you can see all that red. I'm gonna get something to cover that too as well. And then I gotta get another grill, Mach 1 grill for that too as well. So yeah, man, just stay tuned for everything. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna order some new parts. So you probably get a video next week on me installing the Cobra bezel, the Mach 1 grill, the lead filler. And I might do fog lights. I really don't know. So I gotta see how that's really gonna go. I'm thinking about doing it, but I really don't know. I really don't. Other than that, man, y'all stay tuned for the next video, man. I am trying to do a the lowering springs. That's for my next video. I'll probably do that tomorrow, installing everything and getting that done. So yeah, man, just stay tuned with the video and everything like that. And like I said, I did get the wheels. Yes, sir. So I got out the front and back. And we got the Cobra bumper. It's coming together. It's coming together. All I gotta do now is get the lowering springs, because that fitment is awful. And then I need some new headlights too, because if y'all see that, that ain't good. That ain't popping at all. I had them headlights for about 2 years now, so it's probably time to get some new ones. So I am gonna get some new of those. Not next week when I install the you know, you know what I'm trying to say. But
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
oh man, I'm gonna get everything ordered. I can't order the headlights next week, but I'll get those soon. So cause they don't look too bad right now. When they get real bad, then I order some more. And then tech coming soon too as well. So man, just stay tuned for another bang, another video, everything, man. Alright, so what to do, YouTube, man? I'm just sitting here editing the video of me installing the Cobra bumper. So yeah, I really ain't really got no outro or nothing like that. I just want to let y'all know that I'm still getting better at the editing. I'm trying to get some new software. I gotta get a better computer and everything like that. Cause I really do like editing. I just never had the software to do it. But I'm gonna start trying to go to more car shows and everything like that. Possibly start doing car reviews. I still don't know yet, but I am trying to get that done. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, just keep supporting your boy and everything like that. I am trying to get better at editing, so just something I'm working on right now. Like I said, I did get the new camera, so this is a test video of the new camera. I want to see how it look on YouTube and everything like that. Cause I know like editing, it looks a little bit different from YouTube. So that's why. And comment down below what editing software you think I should use. If if you guys do any YouTube or anything like that, or photo edits, comment down below and let me know what editing program do I need to use. Like I said, I need a new computer because this one is Windows 7, and I can't get the new top-notch editing software because they'll either run slow or it's not supported by Windows 7 no more. And I know that's kind of old, but I am going to upgrade, like I said, the computer and everything, and get that done. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. You boys out, man.
Let the band play.